Greetings! I've been busy around here on it's time for another one of the Green Garden Guy walkarounds so I can show you what's been going on. Check this stuff out. Right over here I have a bunch of sweet onions. This is a long day variety, Gabriella it's called. I got it from Johnny Selected Seeds. They are beginning to bulb up very nicely. I know I've had a lot of questions from people about raising onions here. You've got to have the right varieties. The most common one we raise here is usually called a Maui onion. That's actually Gran-X. It's a Gran-X hybrid, same as the one used in Texas and Vidalia, Georgia. Those work here. Get the timing right so they bulb up's important. I sold off the last cabbage crop. Kalani at the food basket took all of it. I have planted more. I have 200 new cabbages installed. I'm also starting to get some really good looking tomatoes coming here. Kale is being magnificent. Over here I have a crop of parthenocarpic cucumbers, the greenhouse forcing type. Underneath floating row cover, I'm going to grow them completely under exclusion to try to keep the pickle worm out. Just beyond them over there, under this 1-inch nylon net, I have H19 Little Leaf. That's a pickling cucumber. I have it under the net because the University of Hawaii says that the pickle worms, the moth, won't make it through that 1-inch mesh. We'll find out whether that's true. But I can tell you what, the cucumbers are making their way through there, so I'm going to have to raise that net to keep it away from them. I've been putting in broccoli plants everywhere. We have broccoli all over. Currently I'm up to 200 broccoli plants out there. Recently I cleaned up some things over here and put in again another crop of brand new sweet onions. We have one green sapote right there in the middle. Over here I appear to be growing what might be my first successful crop of garlic in Hawaii. This is garlic I got from South China, and it just might be the right photo period for using here because it sure is looking promising. The garlic is fat and happy, looking really nice, and I believe it's going to bulb. I'm so happy about that. Over here I have actively been putting in broccoli and cabbage plants. I have rows of cabbage and then we have rows of broccoli beyond it here. Again, this is pretty much all for the food basket. Right over here I have some gorgeous Chinese cabbage. Kimchi, anybody? The one right here in the foreground is a local variety that's new to me. It's called 2 kilo. Look at them babies. They're coming on. I'm gonna have to start getting ready to move this stuff here. Just beyond it over there we have smaller cabbage. Those are Rubicon, Johnny Selected Seed variety. They were planted later. And there's the lizards. Eating cabbage worms is what they're doing. I have Inola coming through my cabbages and eating all the bugs for me. Isn't that cool? They love them. Delicious, the green worms. Over here I have the absolute most beautiful crop of tomatoes that I have ever planted in the state of Hawaii. Generally it's been quite dry this year, and so I suspect the lack of disease and the good growth is probably due to the dry weather, but oh man, we just rained for days and days and days on end here and no disease set in, so got me. Go figure. I don't know everything. I cannot explain why the tomato crop didn't go wrong, but I'm quite happy that it went right. I even have a large fruited version here from the University of Hawaii that's setting fruit nicely. The usual cherry and grape tomatoes are filled too. Oh, that's the latest stuff. I've been busy working hard, putting in stuff, putting in plants, getting rid of weeds, harvesting corn, cutting down corn. We planted corn up top too. I got more corn. I forgot about that. Anyway, I've been a busy guy, and a whole lot of this food is actually to go for the local market here. I can't possibly eat all this stuff. So, that's what's been happening. Aloha. Y'all have a wonderful spring. Catch you later.